Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have one exercise on paper. Solve this equation that 9 power x squared minus 1 and minus 36 and multiply 3 powers x squared minus 3 and plus 3 equals 0. Do you know how to solve this? Did you know it? We do it. When you do it already, please come back to watch my videos from beginning to the end to verify your solution. Before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Okay, let's spend my time. We go to the solution together. Okay, this equation 9 power x squared minus 1. So this I write it 9 power x squared minus 1. And this minus 3 power 6 and multiply. Do we see this x squared minus 3 and this x squared minus 1? So I can write it 3 power x squared minus 1 and multiply 3 powers minus 2 and plus 3 is equal 0. So this we can write it 9 power x squared minus 1 and minus 36 divided by 9 and multiplies 3. Okay, 3 powers x squared minus 1 and plus 3 is equals 0. Because this, if we change it, we get 9. Okay, now this, we get 9 powers x squared minus 1 is minus 4 and multiplies 3 powers x squared minus 1 and plus 3 is equal 0. And about this equation, I can write it 3 powers x squared minus 1 all squares and minus 4 and multiply 3 powers x squared minus 1 and plus 3 is equal 0. Okay, now I let t is equal 3 power x squared minus 1, that t is positive. So that we get t squared and minus 4t and plus 3 is equal 0. And now this, we can write it t squared and minus t and minus 3t and plus 3 is equal 0. So there we get t and multiply t minus 1 and minus 3 and multiply t minus 1 and equal 0. So this we get t minus 1 and multiply t minus 3 is equal 0. So we get the values of t minus 1 is equal 0 and this t minus 3 is equal 0 and we get t is equal 1 and this we get t is equal 3. Okay, now we get the value of t. So if t is equal 1, so we get 3 power x squared minus 1 is equal 1 and we get x squared minus 1 is equal 0. So we get x squared is equal 1 and we get x is equal plus or minus 1. And if t is equal 3, so we get 3 power x squared minus 1 is equal 3 and we get x squared minus 1 is equal 1 and we get x squared is equal 2 and we get x is equal plus or minus square root 2. Okay, now we get the values of a. We get h is equal plus or minus 1 and h equal plus or minus square root 2 is our solution. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Goodbye.